This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Commit with me right now that we're not going to quit. We are unstoppable. Next Level Mindset. Our channels have the potential to explode. To succeed as a YouTuber is to see it as a business. You know, it took me a while to realize that this is a business. I have to have a business mindset. Sometimes that means just reaching out, networking with other content creators, networking with other business mindset individuals. You know, it took me a while to realize that I don't have to do this thing alone. Now, I've learned how to reach out and get help. It's part of having a mindset of a business. So think about your channel. Think about your success. The videos that you publish, the things that you do as a YouTuber. Have you thought about it as a business? Because that is the one thing that I know is a no-fail system. Think about your company and think about your YouTube channel as a business. For example, you could set up a merch shop. You could do something with affiliate marketing. Even myself, I've got something set up as a merch shop. And if you've been enjoying the channel, that will be a great way for you to bless the channel and get an immediate return on your investment. Here's Next Level. You could set up some type of merch, affiliate links, anything you could do to see your channel as a business. That is what has helped me. Now I know that this is not just a channel, this is a business. And once we see it as a business mindset, that's when things start to happen. I put together this playlist right here, 5 powerful clips, just 5 different signs to let you know if YouTube is for you or not. Before you say I'm done, click into that playlist or the other video on the screen. See me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.